Well, here we are. We're all ready to do the system test for SmartPlantPi. Now what we've done, we've taken the information from SmartPlantPi, run it up to PubNub with an MQTT message, and then it goes up to the Lambda function. And when the Lambda function is asked by our friend here to give status, it takes that information and will run it. So here we go. Alexa, ask SmartPlantPi status.
SmartPlantPi status. Plant moisture 76.6%, water level empty, temperature 71.4 degrees Fahrenheit, humidity 33.5%.
Well, there you have it. Alexa, thank you.
You're welcome.